Alright guys, we're off to Myrtle Beach now. Got everything loaded up. We woke up at 8 o'clock this morning. Loaded everything in until 10 o'clock. It's about 10:20 right now. We're trying to get out by 10, but 10:20 is about where we're going. Are you ready to go?
Yep.
Just gonna get your makeup ready on the way. We have a long drive ahead of us. It's still hot outside today. It's about, what, 90 degrees right now? 80 degrees? Yesterday we were at the volleyball tournament. I was pretty much taking pictures and kind of helping out with things here and there. And Janet was the one that was cooking the food and preparing it for everybody that was at the tournament. So that was pretty fun, but today we're gonna head on to our vacation. We've got 3 days off we're gonna be spending at the hotel. So I'm pretty excited, and hopefully I get some good relaxation in and we just relax the whole time. Okay, we have arrived after swimming for about 2 hours, waiting for our room. We're now heading to our room now. We're loading up right now. It's pretty full. There's a lot of people here, so hopefully we get the elevators before anybody else gets in. We're in the elevator now. It took about 5 to 10 minutes on the way. And we're on the 4th floor. Alright, ooh. Oh, nice. Look at that. Alright, we're here. Room looks pretty good. For 50 bucks a night, we're actually staying here. Pretty excited. What is this? Oh, that's soft.
I think it's the purple bed platform.
The purple bed platform from the YouTube commercials you've been seeing? Pretty sweet. Alright, so now we're gonna get all the kids settled in, probably gonna get some naps in, and get everything unloaded, and then we're gonna head out and do some more stuff. I don't know exactly what we're gonna do, but we're gonna do it. Alright guys, it's time to get some dinner. Everybody's been taking their nap, now we're gonna get some dinner for Mother's Day. That's what I just said, we're gonna get some dinner. You wanna run the vlog? You wanna run the vlog? You don't have?
I know.
You have now! You ready to go?
Yes.
Eating your food? Good? What are you eating? Sugary donut? What's so funny, Jaden? No, you only ate fried rice. How was your food?
It was delicious.
Did you eat enough?
Yes, more than
Bye, Tucha. Alright dudes, we're back tonight. Well, now we're going bowling. Hopefully we can get some more game time in for the arcade, but the main thing is we're gonna do 1 hour bowling. We get the free 1 hour of bowling every night, so we're gonna try to get some bowling in for 1 hour. We're going right now. Peace. You guys ready to go?
Yeah.
Everybody ready?
Yep.
What's up, shorty? Happy Mother's Day. We're going up. Jaden, watch out.
Ow! You just like seriously love to step on my toe.
We're going up.
Going down.
No, we're going up. Where does it say we're going
The
down?
wheel likes to go over my toe.
We
same
should be
toe.
going up.
That big
See?
toe.
Going up.
Oh, hello.
This is the smallest elevator.
Yeah.
Back up top.